Hello, students! Let's examine possessive case pronouns in this lesson. They're words that show ownership or possession. And what's great about them is that they tell us who owns what without repeating names over and over. They're pretty useful. Let's first look at a list of them, and then I'll show you how they work. Mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, and theirs. These are all possessive case pronouns. And watch this. If we said, "That is my jacket," we have the word my as a possessive adjective, describing the jacket. But we could just simplify things with a possessive pronoun and say, "That is mine." Mine is your possessive pronoun. What about this one? That is your pencil. If we got rid of the possessive adjective your along with the noun pencil, we could just use a possessive pronoun and say, "That is yours." Let's try one more. This is our project. Again, just use the possessive pronoun ours, and you get, "This is ours." Simple! See how much cleaner that is? Excellent! Now you're a pro at using possessive case pronouns. Keep practicing, and I'll see you next time.